Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance vouchers. We'll start by understanding the different types of vouchers available and where to find them in your account. Then, I'll guide you through the simple steps to successfully redeem your chosen voucher. We will also cover important details like checking expiration dates and understanding terms. Finally, we'll cover some helpful tips and common troubleshooting advice to ensure a smooth experience. Finding your vouchers is straightforward. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Rewards Hub. Here, you'll see all your available vouchers, which might include cash vouchers, trading fee rebates, or other rewards. It's crucial to carefully review each voucher's details, including its expiration date and any specific terms and conditions, to ensure you understand its value and how it can be used effectively. Redeeming your voucher is a simple process. Once you've chosen the voucher you wish to use from your Rewards Hub, simply click the Redeem button associated with it. A confirmation prompt will appear, allowing you to review the details one last time before proceeding. After confirming, the voucher's value will be applied according to its terms, and you should receive a notification of successful redemption. It's that easy. To ensure a smooth experience, always redeem your vouchers before their expiration date. Also, double-check that you meet any specific requirements, such as minimum trading volume or account verification levels. If you encounter any issues during redemption, don't hesitate to contact Binance customer support for assistance. Remember, some vouchers might have usage limits or specific application rules, so always read the fine print carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.